because he likes it. But we're going to be opening this box. So this box, we're going to be playing a game. And basically, we have to find the egg. And whoever finds the egg first wins. And I'm going to win. Yes? Okay. Okay, but I'm going to wear the mask because Mateo is little and it's easier for me to win if I just see everything. So, let's put the box in here. Ugh, it's so heavy. Mateo, hazte más para allá. Alright, here's the box. So, a ver, dame la máscara. I'm gonna wear this mask. And Mateo's gonna look for the egg. So let's open up the box. It's filled with toys. It's filled with toys and we have to find the egg. So I'm gonna put the mask on and then it's a lot harder to see with this. Okay. Vas a tratar de encontrar el huevo, ¿ok? Sí. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. To find the egg under all those toys, and here's what he won. A little cow. Okay, so here's a little cow, very pretty cow. Okay, so this is the egg. The cow was in the egg. So that was really cool. But that's it for today, guys. Bye!